Let's look at today's trade in a bank nifty. So this was a higher time frame structure. So I was on a bullish from yesterday. So I expected price to reach 34,700 at this point. So I entered long in the opening hour itself. So I entered at 916 and expected for a big movement at least till 34,700. But the price stopped at 34,650 for a long time. So I exited with around 200 points profit at this point and I closed the long trade. So the second trade I was expected a long at 34 250 zone, which I posted here, and the target was 34 500 at till this point. So I entered a long at this area expecting the price will go up, but it takes my SL immediately. And before I realizing to enter one more attempt, the price started moving in the direction and it went till 34 420. Again it was fall down from here. It was a loss making trade. After this whole area, I thought the sellers were weak, so I'm not going to deploy any short till the day low gets taken out. So I was expecting in this point, and I don't see any sellers who push the price down from here and the price not accepted below. So not deployed any short, so close the day with two trades, long here and it was around 200 points profit, and one more long here and SL hit immediately. So only two trades. I followed the process to the core, and let's come back tomorrow